Amazing. Look at the wall. Look at that. Look at this. What's up, guys? This is Manuel. Today we have a new pressure washer, so let's test it. Let's wash the car and test it on the car. Let's see how good it is. Okay guys, so the Supra is there. We're gonna wash it. Has a little bit of water from the rain, but we're gonna wash it anyways. So let's open the box. Let's see, let's assemble it because we have to assemble the pressure washer, and let's test it. Let's see how good this one it is. Excited to see this. Okay, let's do it. All right, it's ready. Wow, this is an electric pressure washer. Okay, so it has a long cable, this one, so when you're using this, leave the cable far away from the water. Okay, that's why it comes with a very long wire. Okay, and here on the back you can connect the hose, the water hose. All right. And one thing that I think it is gonna be cool, has a bottle for soap. So let's see if we can get like a foam kind of thing, a sprayer. But it says only use the black one for the soap. But we're gonna test it on another one here to see if we get like a foamy thing. Okay. So it's very easy to assemble. Just follow the instructions. This is it's made of plastic, okay? So the material is not that expensive. Okay, so it's made of plastic. Let's see how much noise it makes. And the front, make it very tight, but not too tight because it's a plastic too. This is the switch to turn it on. But before you turn this thing on, turn on the water hose first. It has to be the water has to be circulating, and then you can turn it on. All right, so let's test it. Let's see how good this one it is. Let's do it. Water is on in here, so as you can see, no leaks. That's a good thing. Even here, no leaking. That's good. That's good. Okay, so we're gonna start with the black first, then white, green, yellow, and red. Okay, so let's start with the black one. This one is no soap. Okay, first just water.
Nothing. Nothing. You just have to pull down and then put the tip like that. Yeah. Okay. So the first tip.
white tip. Yes. I like the white tip. It's amazing. The green tip. Wow, the green one is cool too. Let's change it. This is the yellow tip. Okay, yellow tip. This one is less wide, it's more pointy. You can see it. Now the red tip. Okay. Oh, it's just pointy. I think. Okay. You can see it right here. So this one just like a straight line to clean things with a lot of pressure. So now we got an idea of all the tips. The black one is almost no pressure. It has a little bit, but very wide. So this one has pressure, but it's wide. Like I said, 40 degrees angle. This one is 25 degrees angle, the green one. The yellow is 15 degrees, and this one 0 degrees. So it's like a line, pointy line with a lot of pressure. I think that the 15 is to clean the floors. Let's try that. Let's see if we can clean the concrete. Let's see, let's test that. Okay, we got the yellow. Wow, you can see I cleaned this very nice. You can see it. Wow, I love it. It has a very good pressure, so be very careful. This one, never use the pressure to other people, spraying like other people. That's dangerous. This is not a toy. This is only for cleaning floors and cars. But you can see that, man, I think I'm gonna clean the whole thing. But not right now. It's a lot of work. So let's I'm gonna put a little bit of water. It's not gonna be only soap, like 3/4 of water and 1/4 of soap. Let's do it. So I only added half of water, and I'm gonna put a little bit of soap. I don't want too much soap. And for that, we're gonna use the 40-degree angle tip. Okay, let's do it. Okay, one note I didn't want to add for the soap, the bottle of soap. Only it will pump soap if you put the black nozzle. If you switch to the white, yellow, or to any other nozzle, the bottle is gonna stop pumping soap. It will only work with the black nozzle. I don't know why, but that's the only way that it works. Alright, works great, but one thing, only pumps soap with the black tip. If you put the other tip, it won't pump soap. Other than that, it has a lot of pressure, it's very good, I like it a lot. You can also use it to clean the floor. So I'm gonna clean the floors of my house. Let me clean one brick from the floor, and let's see the difference from the other bricks. Okay, let's do it. Oh, let's clean that from the wall. Let's do it. Wow. Look at that. Dirty and clean. Wow, you can see the difference. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. So since I already started, I'm gonna clean those two and the rest of that wall. Wow, man, I'm impressed. This pressure washer has power. Maybe not like the gasoline pressure washer, but man, it's good enough to clean the floors. You can see it, man. Looks amazing. I love it, man. I'm very excited to test these products that are amazing. Look at that. It's a new house. Woo, hoo, hoo. So it's amazing. You can wash your car and also you can clean the driveway and the concrete and the walls from the house. Man, you can see the difference. This one is almost dry. Clean or not clean. Wow. Amazing. The link for this pressure washer is gonna be on the link down below in the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think on the comment. Okay, so my final opinion. I like it a lot. I like the size. The size is great. You can move it around and it will fit anywhere. You see the size? Wow, it's the size of a vacuum cleaner. Also, it doesn't make a big loud noise. That's amazing because I've been using a big pressure washer like a week ago, and the noise, man, is very loud, almost hurt your ears. But this one, the noise is very low. I like it a lot. The white one, I like it to wash the car with the white one, and the yellow, I like this one to clean the concrete of the floors or walls. Amazing. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. The only thing is the soap, okay? It doesn't work that good for the soap, okay? So I'm gonna get the foam cannon on another video. We're gonna see and test this one with that. Okay, let me know what you guys think on the comments. Okay guys, that's the pressure washer. It's amazing. I love it. The pressure is very good. The size, amazing. And the tips, it has a lot of tips to do different kind of things, to clean the floors and clean the car. It's amazing. I recommend it. The link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.
Yeah, I am a product of change. I brought the product and things, turning my L's into gains, channel the pain, looking to better the days. Yeah, you are a product of fear and the man in the mirror. You can't get away from them things, and I am aware, fully prepared. The devil he speaks. Yeah, and this what he said. You gotta get paid. Do what you gotta do. Get to the bag. Stay at your 9 to 5. Get on the avenue. You ain't cut out for them tags. Yeah, you are not good enough. You are the type of got people that shouldn't love anyone knowing you know that you phony. You never cut out for this. You should just give it up. Yeah. But that's how they want me to feel. I am the man of the steel, king of the hill, man of the year. Finally feel like I got it for real, yeah. But all of them voices, we got them. Lie to me, Hillary Rodham. I just came back from my kid in the bottom, and now I'm gonna bring it back all the way on them, yeah. 1